Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to flush the KPE-9 piston pump from Baumer HHS and change the filter. The KPE-9 is the perfect conveying unit for medium to high viscosity materials, frequently used in corrugated board. For maintenance, it's the best to use the perfectly matched parts from our fitness packages. It's important to wear your safety clothing while you're working in the machine. In the first step, replace the adhesive with lukewarm water. Then open the air pressure valve and build up pressure. Afterwards, open the outlet valve to start flushing. Make sure that you fix the hose because of the high pressure on it. Rinse until clear water comes out. Then close the outlet valve. And turn off the supply of the pressure air. After you've done this, release the remaining pressure at the outlet valve and close it again. You've successfully flushed the KPE-9 piston pump. Now let's change the filter. First, loosen the cap from the filter container with a special tool and remove it. In the second step, remove the sealing rings. Now, clean up the cap and the thread. After that, carefully remove the old filter and the filter ball. Caution, there may be residual liquid leaking. Have a cloth ready. Place the new ball in the new filter and lower it into the filter container. Now grease the cap and the thread well with the assembly paste. Use the product supplied by us for this purpose. Then insert the new sealing rings and oil them with a special oil that we have provided. In the next step, tightly close the filter box with the cap. Please take care of your hands The lower side of the cap may be sharp. Now flush with fresh adhesive. For this, it's necessary to remove the high pressure hose from the valve. Don't forget to fix it. Then open the outlet valve on the high pressure hose. And flush until clean adhesive comes out. Don't forget to reconnect the high pressure hose with the valve at the end. In the last step, fill up with oil at the filler neck. Use the oil supplied by us for this purpose. Thank you for watching our tutorial. You can find more of this on our GlueTube channel and everything you need to know on our website. Let's stick together and goodbye.